Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp on your iPhone and also create ID on WhatsApp with any phone number. So let's start the video without wasting time. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So let's start. Firstly, open your App Store. So tap on search, tap here WhatsApp, so you can see here WhatsApp option is here. Now tap on WhatsApp. Firstly, install your WhatsApp Messenger. Now our WhatsApp application is installing. Wait few seconds. So friends, our WhatsApp application is installed. Now go back. So friends, open your WhatsApp application, tap agree and continue. So friends, firstly select your country and then enter your phone number. So I'm living in Pakistan and now enter the phone number. So friends, when you tap your phone number, then tap on next. Wait few seconds. So friends, if your phone number is this, then tap yes, otherwise edit your number if you tap wrong number. So tap on yes. So friends, 6-digit code sent to your phone number that you entered for ID. So enter the code. So friends, validating code. So friends, our code is accepted. So restore from iCloud. Restore your chat history from iCloud. You will not be able to restore later if you decline to restore now. Restore will take some time. So friends, if you want to restore your backup from iCloud, so tap on restore, otherwise skip. Tap on skip. Now tap your WhatsApp ID name. Suppose that Bukhari Tech. So tap on done. So friends, create passkey to make your next login easier. If you want to lock your WhatsApps, and tap on continue, otherwise not now. So not now. So tap on settings. So friends, you can see here our WhatsApp ID is created with Bukhari tag on my phone number. So go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to install and create ID on WhatsApp on all iPhone devices and any other device. We can easily install and create ID on WhatsApp. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.